There's plenty of choice of components when you are building a workstation for your content creation needs. You've got CPUs and GPUs across a wide price range, with CPUs starting from simple quad-core processors on one side of the spectrum which give you 8 CPU threads, to purpose-built HEDT processors which have 64 cores and 128 CPU threads. The vast majority of content creators should find themselves at home with processors that have 8 or more CPU cores with multi-threading, such as the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X, Ryzen 9 5900X, and Ryzen 9 5950X, which are all part of the AMD Ryzen 5000 series of processors. These processors can handle common content creation workloads such as editing simple videos by stitching multiple clips together, and they also have the headroom to complete complicated workloads involving multiple layers of stacked videos with added effects and more. The AMD Ryzen 5000 series CPUs are based on AMD's latest Zen 3 microarchitecture and have processors starting with 6 cores going all the way up to 16 cores on the AM4 mainstream platform. Let's put together a couple of rigs using these powerful processors and see how they handle various content creation workloads pertaining to architectural design, product design, and multimedia. We will be using a PC built using the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X and AMD Ryzen 9 5950X, coupled with plenty of RAM and a powerful GPU such as the AMD Radeon RX 6900 XT. To showcase how good these processors are at handling content creation workloads, we will be running benchmarks that are based on industry standard software. We will be comparing the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X and 5950X against the previous generation AMD Ryzen 5 3600 XT, which is an older gen mid-range processor, to give you an idea of how good desktops built using these high core count processors are in comparison to an already strongly performing PC. We are going to maintain the exact same PC configuration and only swap out the CPUs so that the benchmarks are fair. Let's begin. For architectural design, we will be using Autodesk Revit, which is a building modeling software used by architects and engineers. For product design, we will be using SolidWorks, and the benchmark will be performed using Spec APC for SolidWorks, which is an industry standard tool as well. And lastly, for content creation, we have Chaos Group V-Ray, which will be benchmarked using their standard tool. This tool measures how many V-samples a device can calculate per unit time. By now, you should have a pretty good idea about the sheer performance that the new AMD Ryzen 5000 series processors are capable of delivering. We saw that the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X was 77% faster than the AMD Ryzen 5 3600 XT in Revit, 117% faster in SolidWorks, and capable of generating 160% more V-samples in V-Ray. And if you want even more performance, then the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X is clearly seen to be besting not only the Ryzen 5 3600 XT, but even its siblings from the 5000 series. Whether you are architecting a new home for your client, designing a 3D model for your prototype, editing multi-layered videos, or any other content, you need the right tool for the job, and the AMD Ryzen 5000 series CPUs open up new possibilities than what you could have imagined.